Hello everyone. In this video, see how to fix your organization manages updates on this PC message while checking eligibility for Windows 11. If you are eligible Windows 10 user, you will get a free upgrade to Windows 11 operating system. To check the eligibility of your free upgrade to Windows 11, you need to use the PC Health Checkup on Windows 10. And sometimes that app can give title error, which is, your organization manages updates on this PC error. So here are two things possible. You can either contact your IT admin or you can remove your device from that organization if possible. And in this video we will see how you can remove your device from the organization so that you can manage your system locally and upgrade to Windows 11 without any error. So right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings app, go to Accounts. In the red pane, you might be having an account connected and that is why you are getting this error. So you have to simply highlight on that entry and click Disconnect. In the confirmation prompt, you have to click Yes. When you remove your device from organization, all the data associated with this organization-based account will be removed. So finally, click on the Yes button. And as you can see that the organizational account or work or school account has been removed from here. To completely remove it from your system, you have to simply restart your system.